Hi, as you know, your group communication wiki is due this Sunday, April 4th at midnight. I wanted to take a few minutes to go over some of the grading guidelines. Please make sure that you are reading through this handout completely so that you are meeting all the expectations for this project. When it comes to grading, I will be looking to make sure that you have gone through and edited each other's pages throughout the entire wiki. That means that you are not only making edits to your own page, but to the other pages included in your wiki. I have put in that there should be 20 edits, additions to other pages. Please keep in mind that this is a rough estimate, and each of these edits are going to look different depending on your group. So if you and your group mates submitted excellent rough drafts that don't need much work, these edits will probably be really minor and might be on the lower end, maybe 15 to 20 edits, and those edits will be small. If your rough drafts need a lot of work, then there could be big edits where you're adding in entire paragraphs, you're adding in videos, you're making big changes, you're moving information around. And the edits might be closer to 30 or 40 edits. The bottom line is that you need to be meeting all the expectations. So if you still have grammatical errors, but you've done 20 edits, that doesn't work. So there should be more edits done in order to make sure that everything else is being met. And keep in mind that those should be throughout the wiki. So when I am looking at the entire group project, I will want to see that it is free from grammatical and factual errors, and you should have consistent style throughout the entire wiki. So that means that you're all using the same font, the same size, the same headings. If one student is using bullet points within their paragraphs to list facts, then that is the style that should be used throughout the entire wiki. As you recall from the chapter last week, we looked at group projects and how it works better when the group is working together to create one cohesive project rather than meshing together 4, 5, or 6 different projects and trying to push that together into one project because it may not feel cohesive. I want your wiki to feel like a big project that is cohesive and not just several individual projects that have been put onto the same platform. Please make sure that each of your pages includes some sort of visual, so that can be a video or an image, and those should be embedded within the page. So not just a link to the video, but an actual video should show up on the wiki page. You need to use at least one outside source within each of your individual pages. So that means that you're looking outside of our textbook to find more information. The wiki as a whole needs to include 2 communication theories, so you can decide how you're going to split that up. One person can do the research and report on both theories, or those can be spread out throughout the wiki. You do need to be citing the information throughout each individual page. So that would include in-text citations for both the text and any outside sources that you find. So that's within the paragraphs on your individual page. You should have in-text citations, and then you will need an individual works cited and then a cumulative works cited for your entire wiki. So please do not just copy and paste all those works cited into the cumulative. They do also need to be put into alphabetical order. Remember that we use APA style for this course. If you need help with APA citation, please check out OWL Purdue, and the website is listed in your syllabus. Please keep in mind, along with the cumulative works cited page, you also need an introduction that you work on as a group. So each of you should be contributing, or you should assign one person to have that introduction in addition to their individual topic that they're reporting on. So the introduction is a group effort to get that part done. So just a reminder that all of these are what I will be grading on, and the points are attached. So please make sure that you read through the expectations and how you will be graded for your final draft. There are a couple of ways to earn extra credit with the Wiki project. So one is to meet with your group. Several of your groups have already done this, and you've emailed me screenshots of your group working together, which is great. The extra credit will be added in with your final Wiki grade, so please look for the extra credit at that point. The other way you can earn extra credit is to create a video of yourself talking about the topic within your Wiki page. So this can look any way you would like. There aren't a lot of guidelines on this because I would like you to be creative, but this is one way to add in a visual and earn yourself some extra credit. So be creative, and if that's something that you would like to do to add both some creativity and extra credit for your grade. If you have any questions, please make sure that you contact me earlier rather than later. I will be leaving town this weekend and will be out of cell phone service, so the best would be to contact me before Friday. I hope you have a great week. Bye.